You ready to get down with it?
Get you nuts.
Scar. What you want now?
Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishine zala majweni Hukuntsi akidali bakweni
Hey yo, I'm sick with the word, slick with the verb. Strip any bird, plus a spliff many herbs. I'm in it with some twisted up nerves. Never felt pain cause I'm in what you heard. Mulipulula made me, my string I hold down. I got enough niggas to declare you shut down. Faggots follow on ass like donkey carts. I'm the block, I'm a top, shoot the horse your jock got. Karate kid rap, wax on, wax off. Black pawns, what you want, bloody tampons. Tat on tongue call, bada ban call. But I never give a damn cause I'm up normal. Kibo man, reba bone. Tiro janka di khan re sapote. Rebo man, basa blow me. Matlaba piri sento mo lapisi zonke.
Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishine zala majweni Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishino shkaba tontwe Machana kyo raya kampa ma kyo rumela tari Machan akumela Pija no goli roba go kwise La kata ka budoro le moraka ote Kyo shaka maka kyo buse jakaya Vi mampela Kita ka bakwenyana Kyo kaya jaka rimo Sis Shloto le shato Sis Onkabira ko jao Machan, shirchirlo Zoyera Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishine zala majweni Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishine
Niggas be waiting, thinking you don't hola. Elevated my game, this year you don't hola. Got enough dollar, collar, you made you don't jola. Do it taller. I'm the type of cat who buy a dema hole bumola. Guess it's jabana, Umawana. You look like the Twaka Shankana. My musical nature is Wabangakanya. I'm stuck on the Jaka Kakana. Hakita, Bai Bakanya. Never Bai Gakanya. You damn right, Takanya. Sebizo kitwaki shakala
Hukuntsi zogala majweni Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishine zogala majweni Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishine Kapke mego babi bona bote Jafa se tona bizi bafana bote Tikatsi tona gas twari tabu jote Sento wa mozaro agali luza lote Zogala majweni Hukuntsi akidali bakweni Haishine
Yeah, so there you have it. Viwa Mampela. Welcome to Ramco Toti. KAST, Hail Earth, dangerous combination. What up, Big Caesar? Good to have you back home, nigga. Goof, more job.